This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll quickly show how you can change or, well, manage the obstacle avoidance action on this drone. So first, you will obviously need to launch the camera view on your remote controller. Now open Settings, select the safety category at the top, and here you'll find the obstacle avoidance action, which you can disable altogether, so there will be no obstacle avoidance at all, or no action rather, while in the obstacle avoidance mode. Or you can enable the automatic braking, so once the aircraft with its sensors will detect an obstacle, it is going to automatically brake itself in order to, well, prevent the collision. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.